in order to go ahead and make your designs consistent across your brand, it's a good idea to go ahead and utilize color palette. So to go ahead and manage color palette, you can actually go to the sources section right here where you can actually find different color palettes right here. If you don't find swatches over here, you can simply go to Windows and then you can go around over here onto General and enable swatches from there as well. So here you can see that there's some recent colors right here. You can go for Pantone colors as you can see right here, and you can see the standard Pantone colors right here, just like this. You can go ahead and select it and then you get those colors. But what you can also do is you can go ahead and create a custom color palette so that you can only choose from that color range. So for that, you can click on go ahead. You can go ahead right here. Let's just go around over here just like this. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do is, let's say for example, create a shape. Let's just go ahead and choose a color right here. So now what I can do is click on this, and then you can see that this particular color has been added out right here on this palette. But what you can also do is create a fresh new palette right here. And to do that, you can click on the down arrow right here. And then what you can do is you can create an application package with palette. That means it will actually go ahead and show this palette throughout the application, even in other projects. But if you just want the palette for this particular document, that is this particular project, then you should select Add Document Palette right here. So in my case, let's just add an application palette right here. And I'm going to go ahead and type in TutuTube palette. Let's say, for example, you can go ahead and name it whatever you want and press OK. And this is what you have. So now what you can simply do is click on this and this color has been added in. Let me just go around, select this color, add to the palette right here by clicking on this button, create another shape right here, and I'm going to add to the palette right here, click this in, click around right here, and then I'm going to go ahead, add another color right here, add that in, and so forth, and you got 4 colors. So if I were to go around over here and add a page right here just like this, let's say I have more shapes, you can simply go around and select and click on that particular color right here just like this, and the palette color is applied right there just like this. So you can go ahead and change the color palette right here or choose from TutuTube palette itself. So this is basically what you can do right here. You can right click and then let's say for example name the field as well as you want. You can go ahead and let's say for example add complementary colors right here. Delete the fill right here just like this to delete it out. You can go ahead and make a copy of the same color and then you can edit out the fill to change around the color right here just like this. Edit it out, change it around right here just like this as you can see. So that is basically how you can go ahead and create out custom color palette manually inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.